Take a ride in the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.